panalangin. Kapatid. Kaya sinulat ko na po yung panalangin para mas maging maayos. Yung bata mo, ayusin mo po sa ating Panginoon. Mataas na papuri ay para sa iyo, aming Diyos. Nagpapasalamat kami sa tagumpay ng pag-iisang dibdib ng aming kapatid na Ben, Jennifer, at Arnel.
Ating puso nagkasundo, magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan.
Palakpakan nyo naman. Ipanalo ang sayo mo. Let's do the chorus. Come on. Samahan mo, baby. Samahan mo.
Hindi kami gato para magpatalo. Kaya mo ako.
Dancing to the tune of Careless Whisper. Palakpakan naman po natin si Anel. Ipiling mo, baby. Galingan mo. Ayan. Pasok ba, Jen? Mr. Bat, yung sayaw. O, chorus. Diyan ka makasanay sa mabate.
They say the whole heart is watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time's running out, day after day, we'll make them Monday our masterpiece. Oh my love, I take a look at you, taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying down to get there. On the edge of your life, staying drunk on the fire. The angels up in the clouds are jealous of the clouds on the side. We'll be ordinary. We're gonna kiss and raise you up. And share with me when you're drunk. We'll go until we're done. Angels up in the clouds.
Tapos na po ang ating wedding hosting gig, kaya kainan na.
Thank you, Lord, for everything. Perfect po kayo.